Let me tell you something. As an Igbo man, you are meant to marry at least 5 or 10 wives, just like our ancestors did. If you notice very well, you will realize that the Igbo population is gradually reducing. Yes, we are gradually going into extinct because our men have adopted the Western lifestyle. They are now marrying only one wife. Maka gini? Maka why? Is it our culture? Monogamy is not an Igbo culture. It is not an Igbo culture. Polygamy is what our ancestors used in increasing our population. That is why we are the most populated ethnicity in Africa. But this generation of men have shunned our culture and our tradition. Why? As an Igbo man, you have no business marrying only one wife. Mancha mancha. He have a titled man. Onanu only one wife. Only one wife. A titled man. Chineke. Ndị Igbo have shunned their culture and their tradition, which is now affecting us. We need to go back to our roots, to our culture, to our tradition. Every Igbo man should at least have 3 wives. If you don't want to make it up to 10, at least have 3 wives. I am speaking to the Igbo men. Ụmụ nwoke ndị Igbo, biko gee ntị.